If you'd like to know how to install an air conditioning system, a ductless mini split, a package unit, a furnace, split system, whatever unit you'd like to install, I can help you. I've spent a decade in the field servicing, installing, commissioning, selling units, and I know what it takes to install. I also know that 90% of the units that are installed in the field are installed improperly. So I know there's a lot of systems out there that are installed improperly and customers are having terrible issues. If you want to fast track your way to figuring out your problem by simply just contacting me, giving me the details, and then me walking you through the steps necessary to be able to fix it, down below there's a link to my Patreon. If you'll click it, I've got about 100 videos, tips for technicians. I give advice daily to technicians to try to help them fast track their way to success by my experiences, my mistakes, my faults. I would love to help you as well. I'll help you if you subscribe to my Patreon. Give me details and I'll walk you through the steps necessary so you don't have to be with that 90% of those installs that are installed improperly every single day. Customers can't find people to do work, and if they do find somebody, they end up getting what they don't want, which is a bunch of headache and a bunch of mistakes. Let me help you today by making sure that you avoid all the mistakes that you could make. There are lots of people that need advice when installing, but they don't have anybody they can call. They don't have anybody that has the experience to be able to fast track their way to figuring out what is going on with their job and why it won't work properly. I am here to help you. Give me a call, shoot me an email, and I will show you what you need to do. Let's get started helping you today. Subscribe.